So now you see here, this is the application we built it with the product ID, name, and everything, right? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new product. Yesterday we created the new product and it has everything. When I choose the
ఇదేందో
file,
చూసిన అంతే ఎట్లా వస్తుంది ఏందో ఇది నాకు అర్థం
Vishwanath, okay, so what happened is you can add general and you need to put all those stuffs, and finally you go and choose the file, and when click submit, that submit will comes to my create. Okay, it will come here. Okay, and if there is no validity, it will automatically make an error. Now see here, I had done something and I'm putting 32,000. I'm choosing a product image. This I'm selecting any one of the product image, click on submit. Now see the request is coming here. Will you all able to see my request? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Everybody. Maniganda, Anand.
ఎస్ సార్
Yes, sir.
So this one will come and try to run it. What will happen? It will create a service. Now see there is a record will be created in the file. Now see there is a record will be created. But sir, it is very difficult to understand where the file is creating and all those things, right? So what you need to do in my list index, I write a small change here, dot list this dot product service dot order by descending. Order by descending. Simply say ID colon ID dot product ID. Okay. And then dot to list. What will happen? This product list will be based on the ID of descending and it will show in the result. Now you see here, all my new record added in my first. Venkatesh. Now you see, you got the new record here. Now I will prove you once again. Here I'm saying Samsung S3. It is a good mobile model. It is a good mobile model. Okay. And I'm saying my product cost is something like 25,000. And I'm selecting some mobile. Where is Samsung mobile? Anyone can show me? This is my Samsung mobile. Let us assume this is your Samsung mobile. Now click submit. The request is come here. Now if you see the request, you see there is a product cost. You see there is a product description. You see there is a file which has been attached. Yesterday I described and product name. All this should be going and storing in the database. Now you see here, I created. Now this product, this is my product. This request comes from add request model that I'm going to store it in my product description. And then it is trying to create a GST for that. Now this product trying to store the data in the DB. When you make changes, these changes will happen. When I redirect, you see there is a Samsung S3 added. See the one which I added is here or not? Say yes or no. Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you speak? Everybody, can you unmute and speak, please? Bharatwaj,
Yes,
Cindy, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes.
Got everything, right? So now there is a one problem in this case. The moment you upload a file, that uploaded file will be stored in this root folder. But right now it is not happening. Image is not storing. So what I will do, I'll go back, create a folder, saying that, right, folder, products. I'm going to give a name called products image. Okay, this is my image. Whenever you upload a file, that file will be stored and this path will go and store in the database. That is the my plan. So how to do that? So from which property I'm getting the data from the request? Can anyone tell me from which property I'm getting the form file, attached file? What is the property name? Yesterday people are attended, right? Can you tell me which is the property? Here I'm going to build an image and store in www root/products image folder. This is the folder I'm going to store first. To do that, first you need to create an image name. How I'm going to create the image name is string image name. I'm going to use a local variable so that I'm using an underscore image name equal to date time dot now dot to string. Here I'm going to specify my format. H MMM
MMMDDYY. Yeah. DD replace of yes.
And then I'm going to use MMSS format. Okay. Now this will give me the file name. The moment I get the file name, I need to get the path of this location, right? This root location. So how to get that root location is in my service container. When I'm injecting here, I need to inject a one more called iWeb host environment, because this is the one will help me to get the www root path. You all understand? Say yes or no. How
Yes,
you
sir.
are injecting this product service in the program.cs file, you are registered a service, right? Like that, it automatically get registered in your builder method. So you are going to get that injection, and to hold that variable private read only iWeb host environment. I say underscore environment. Okay. And this environment, I'm going to store here. This dot underscore environment equal to environment. See, it is stored or not? You see here, I got the environment. Now, in this environment, here, I need to get the environment path. String image path equal to this dot underscore environment dot web root path. This will give you the this till this path, web root path. Now here, image path plus equal to image path image name. Okay, now you see here, this will get the entire image name. Okay, and then I need to get the, whenever you see here, there is an image name will get. I'll show you, then I can go for the other stuff. Will you all able to understand? Everybody? Those who are new?
Yes, sir.
Anand Shinde? Rahul?
Yes, sir.
Rahul?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When you click a new product, now here, I'm saying iPhone X, the good model. Okay, and my product cost is something like 35,000. Here I'm choosing an image. In the image, I'm taking some iPhone image. Let's take this image and click submit. Now you see F10. See what is the value you are getting for the date time you see. Control Shift Q. You got the name. You see here December. Sorry, there is small problem. Let me change it here. All are not capital. Everything should be small. DD, M, Y, HH, MM, SS.
Sir, 3 M's birthday, sir. Okay, sir, total.
Month for 3M only. JAN, like that. Now click on this new product. iPhone X20 is a good model. Okay, 34,000. And sorry, and choose the file. Select the iPhone, submit. Now go back. You see here F10. You see the image name. What is the image name I'm getting? Will you all able to see the image name?
Yes.
Oh,
It is generated from the data. Okay. And then this guy will give the path of this particular location. I'll show you. F10. Now, if you look into this guy, image path, you see where it is coming from. Microservice, source code, product application, web www root. You got the entire path of that particular stuff where the image is going to be stored. Okay. And then F11. You see the image path, the one which I added, but I need to get a slash. So small thing, I need to make a change here, saying that okay. Now the image path has been added. So you got the image path. And whenever you upload an image file path, you need to get the extension, file extension. So how to get this file extension? String image extension equal to file dot get extension, and here you need to pass yeah, you have to use this request, because in the request only you are getting that extension. Request dot product file dot file name. Now what will happen? This guy will give me file extension. Return of file content.
Namespace is asking system.io dot like that.
It's already there.
Already there.
The moment I entered, okay, using system.io.
Yes.
Now build it. It's a byte actually. It will not work. Get path extension. System.io dot path dot get extension. Okay. Now it's okay. So you will get the extension. Once you get that extension, image path plus equal to sorry, you have to use this, and image dot plus image extension. Now let me run this. Do you all understand? Anand, Mailswamy, Manikanta, Rahul, Satya Sai, how I am doing?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So now click on product. I say iPhone. Using the same stuff. I don't want to waste your time. 34. Click on an image where I want this laptop. Submit. Now you see here, I got the date. Did I got the date? Say yes or no. Did I got the date or not?
Yes.
Come on.
Yes. Yes.
And then did I got the environment path, entire full path of the application?
Yes, yes.
And
Yes,
then
sir.
I got the image path.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then I got the extension of that particular image. You see here,
Yes, yes. .jpg.
.jpg, I got it. And then I'm adding that in the image path. Now you see the full path. You got the path or not?
Yes, sir.
Why double dot is coming?
Double dot.
I think it is by default taking the path. Okay, fine. Okay, remove this. Now you need to save the file. How to do the save the file? Can anyone tell me? Using where stream equal to file dot. How to get the stream? 2 minutes. This line of code I'm going to copy from my older one. Products. No. Narendra. Project. I didn't for my old project. I'm using this. Okay. This is for delete. This is for edit. There you go. Now I'm going to use this entire stuff like this. Instead of writing everything like this, I'm going to write like this. Very shortcut. This environment new file name I don't need. Let me take copy this also. Okay, I'll take this one. This will be easy. Okay, now what will happen? I got the environment path and products. So what I will do, I'll take this image name. Image name. And this image name I'm going to paste here. Okay. And then my product request. Okay. Now you see the image will be stored in the particular application. Let me show this build. Okay. You all understand this one? Anyone can tell me? So what I did is I get the image name on the current date, current time, current month, current year with the value. Why? Because whenever you upload, the image name will be different. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change whenever the user is entering the data, whenever user is trying to update or create an image, upload the image, I'm going to change the name of that image. And then I'm getting that uploaded file extension added in that image name. So that the name will be current date, year, time dot the image file extension. And then I'm getting that environment.root path plus products. Where this products? This is the product. So this is not products. This should be product image. Copy this. Just save here. Under always a best practice to have like this, so that the code could be more clean. Once you've done that, with the stream, with the help of create this image full path and finally copy that file. Now you see here, I'm building. Who is left? Sorry. Okay. Now you run it. Now click on product. I go general, 32,000, choose a file, click submit. Now you see guys, what will happen? Image name is created or not? Say yes or no? Image name is created?
Yes, sir.
Everybody. And then I'm getting the image name with full path of extension. What is the image I added? I got the .jpg extension. And then this image full path is null. It is going to give a full path of the image. Now you see here. Guys, session will update in 10 minutes. Let's focus on this. This is not happening. I raised a ticket. I paid the amount to them as well. See here, you got that microservice, source code, product application, under root folder, product image. This image is going to be stored. Now, when I execute F10, the stream is holding my entire data. The stream is holding my entire data. And then you see here, the image is not added yet. Image is added or not? Say yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Image is added or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Added.
Yes, sir.
And then you see the request of copy file will have having everything, image location and everything. File name, everything is there. Okay, finally, you go and store that location. But right now I'm not doing that location store because I need to go and change my model. Okay, so now if you go to the solution explorer, the image is added or not? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir. Added.
Yes.
Like that, you can add n number of images. After adding the image, product, you need to update the model. What the model you need to update? Request dot product name is there, product file name we have. Now you can add a one more attribute in the add request. Go to definition. There you say you had a product file. Now you add one more name, product file name. You simply say product, because I don't want to pass everything here. So I'm going to simply say product file name. Now you got the product file name. Say yes or no? You got one more entity in the add request. Rebuild and go to your controller. Here you simply say request dot product file name equal to underscore image name, because this is the name where I'm going to store in the DB. This file path name, this file name I'm going to store in the DB. Okay, whenever I retrieve, I'm going to get the image path from this particular database. So that's why I'm using here. Now go to your product model. Under product, you try to create a one more attribute here, public string product file name. It. Okay. Now you simply say here, okay, once you've done that, build the solution. Again, you need to create a package. Go to package console. You need to rework on your add manager package. Okay. So add hyphen manager product 2. Select repository. Enter. What happened? What is the command? Yesterday we did, Venkat?
Add hyphen migration, sir, not manager.
Oh,
Same yesterday night also I faced the same issue. Yeah.
migration. Sorry, because I forgot it.
Yeah, MIGRATION.
Okay. Product 2.
Yes, now it will work.
Now you see, I got the data. Finally, you go build the solution, clean and rebuild. Then go back to console, update hyphen database product. It will delete all the data and it will create a column in the table. Done. Now what will happen? If you run the project, you won't see a data. I believe you should not. It is there. Somewhat it is good. Now go back to the product. Let's create. No, before going to do that, in the product service create method, I need to add that products dot image file name equal to request dot file name, because the file name you created, right? Say yes or no, everybody.
Yes.
Did you created a file
Yes,
name?
sir.
So that file name you are added, then only this will go and store in the DB. Now close this, go back to your controller. I'm going to put a small breakpoint where you need to understand your results. Now you see here. So I'm going line by line. Okay. Let me run it. 3 minutes there. Timeout will happen. Let me run this. Run it. Now click on a product. General. No, give iPhone X25, something like that. Copy this X25 once again. Cost will be 36,000. Choose an iPhone folder. Something like this. Submit. Now you see F10. Image is created. Image path is created. Image full path is created. Now this image name is going to be stored in this file request, and then product file is created. Now you see in the solution explorer, there is a file created or not? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
File is created. 1111 file is created. Now F11, you see the file name I'm having. That file name I'm going to have it in the here. Now GST is creating. Coming back, I'm storing and saving the DB. Now when I return it, you see this product is holding the image name. See, you got the image name from the database.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
this is what we have to do. Got the point? Everybody clear?
yes,
And then when you continue, this will be comes. But sir, I can't able to see the image here, right? We can fix that by tomorrow. Okay.
Model class, we need to add that.
Yeah.
View.
Tomorrow we are going to add that call.
Yeah, and one more, sir. Directly we can give the directly not only image name. Directly we
It
can
will
give
get
the image.
it will get off. If you want anything, you can ping me in the group.
Oh,
Don't worry.
okay, sure. Yeah.
Hmm?
Okay.
Okay, because it will get resolved by tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Anybody have any questions? Anand?
No, no.
No, sir.